In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display and username in Midjourney. We'll keep this simple and start from a fresh search so you can follow along from anywhere. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. Look for the official Midjourney website in the results. It should be the one with the midjourney.com address. This helps you avoid any look-alike pages and ensures you're in the right place. Click through to open the site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your account so the settings are available. Once you're on the Midjourney site and signed in, look toward the lower left corner of the page near your profile section. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click that 3-dotted icon to open a quick menu. This is where key profile options live. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage your profile details and preferences. Inside Account Settings, find and click the option labeled Username. This is the panel where you'll see 2 important fields, your username and your display name. Here's how they differ. Your username is your unique handle. It's often part of your profile link and must be available for you to claim it. Your display name, on the other hand, is the name people primarily see in places like galleries and comments. It doesn't have to be unique, so you can make it more readable or expressive. A helpful approach is to keep your display name friendly and recognizable, and choose a username that's clean and easy to type. Go ahead and edit the username and display name fields to what you want. Keep in mind that usernames usually allow letters, numbers, and sometimes underscores, but often no spaces. If the username you want is taken, you'll be asked to try a variation. For display names, feel free to use spaces and capitalization to make it look the way you like, while keeping it appropriate for public viewing. When you're satisfied with both fields, click Update to save your changes. Give it a moment to process. If you don't see the change right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. In some cases, updates can take a short while to appear across the site. That's it. You've opened the Midjourney site from Google, accessed the 3-dot menu, entered account settings, selected username, updated both your username and display name, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed profile.